Welcome to Mind, Body, and Soul Dose. Here, we're dedicated to exploring practices that help nurture a balanced, peaceful life. Today, we're diving deep into the transformative power of mindfulness meditation. Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by daily stress, distracted by constant thoughts, or stuck in cycles of worry and anxiety? Mindfulness meditation could be the key to reconnecting with a calmer, more grounded version of yourself. In this video, we'll explore what mindfulness meditation truly is, the remarkable benefits it can bring to your life, and some practical, easy-to-follow techniques to help you get started. And be sure to subscribe if you're interested in experiencing guided meditation sessions with us. We'll be offering some in future videos to support your journey. Mindfulness meditation has been practiced for centuries, with roots in ancient Eastern philosophies, but in recent years it has gained significant attention in the scientific and wellness communities for its proven benefits. Research shows that mindfulness can reduce stress and anxiety, improve immune function, enhance focus, and even increase happiness levels. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? At its core, mindfulness is about bringing our full attention to the present moment, with acceptance and without judgment. It invites us to focus on what's happening right now, instead of worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Through mindfulness, we gain awareness of our thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, and this awareness can be incredibly empowering. It gives us the space to choose our responses calmly rather than reacting impulsively. Imagine being able to quiet those racing thoughts before a big presentation or feeling more present when spending time with loved ones. Mindfulness can truly enrich these everyday moments. Let's explore a few simple techniques to help you start your mindfulness journey. One of the best starting points is breathing exercises. Breathing exercises are a quick and accessible way to practice mindfulness. Set aside just 5 minutes to sit comfortably. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs, and then slowly exhale. Notice each breath as it enters and leaves your body, and whenever your mind wanders, it will gently bring your focus back to your breath. Practicing this daily builds mental clarity and calm over time. Another popular technique is the body scan, which lets you tune into different parts of your body and notice sensations. Start at your toes and move gradually up to your head, observing any sensations, tension, or feelings in each area. This can be a deeply relaxing exercise that helps you release physical stress you might not even realize you're holding. If these techniques resonate with you, consider joining us for guided sessions in future videos. We'll be offering guided meditations to help you explore different aspects of mindfulness, like gratitude, stress relief, and focus. Guided sessions can be especially helpful for beginners as they offer structure, making it easier to stay engaged and on track. Many people have experienced life-changing benefits through mindfulness. Let's look at a few inspiring examples. Meet Sarah. She's a professional with a demanding job and family responsibilities, and she used to feel overwhelmed by chronic stress. By dedicating just 10 minutes each morning to mindfulness, she began to feel calmer and more resilient. Mindfulness has become her go-to way to recharge and reconnect with herself each day. Then there's James, who turned to mindfulness to manage his anxiety. Starting with short breathing exercises, he gradually explored body scans and guided sessions. Not only did he experience a reduction in his anxiety, but his relationships improved as well. Practicing mindfulness allowed him to be more present with his family and friends, deepening his connections with them. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of mindfulness meditation. Remember, Even a few minutes of practice each day can make a meaningful difference in how you feel. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve focus, or just find moments of peace, mindfulness meditation is a powerful tool. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more on nurturing your mind, body, and soul. Keep an eye out for our upcoming guided meditation sessions. We're excited to practice with you. And share your journey in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences with mindfulness and meditation. Until next time, stay mindful, stay grounded, and take care of yourself.